Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions, and we are in Lincoln, Nebraska. And seems lately I've been selling a lot of stuff twice. So anyway, it's another one, and I want to show you what we got here. In 2018, we had the front cover of Hot Rod magazine for the REITs collection auction, and this was actually a picture that was in the shed there. I have the same picture on my phone. And Hot Rod magazine came and did a story on the South Dakota muscle car horde. It was all Mopars, and it was in Mansfield, South Dakota. And on the cover here was that 70 Cuda that Alan was working on. Well, Merrill Cook bought it. Actually, his body guy bought it for him and brought it back and started on it. And so they painted it plum crazy purple and put a new roof skin on. The quarters were good. They painted the frame. The motor has been done. It's a 444 speed car, and but they sadly never got to finish it because he passed away. They did get new rims and tires. It's been painted very well, and so the motor's been done. It's a 440 and a 4-speed. Interior frames only. There is a console. You can see there's a lot of parts in there. The cluster was bad. That needs to be got. Do have the dash pad. There's a bumper panel. But anyway, a lot of work's been done to this car. And this will be on the auction June 15th in Lincoln, Nebraska. So you can have the cover of Hot Rod magazine from August 2018 car, and the body shop here has done a good job, painted it plum crazy purple. Just install your footprint gas pedal and you're ready to go. So this will be no reserve, online and live, June 15th in Lincoln, Nebraska. And there's that car on the front cover. There's a poster from August of 2018. It's kind of a big day for me, so we'll see you June 15th in Lincoln, Nebraska, and live on site with online bidding. And if you're looking to have a sale, we want to work with you. 605-201-7005, and they're just driving in our Olds 442 W30. Beauty and rare, less than 100. We'll see you at the auction. Happy bidding.